Goodbye humans, goodbye Earth. I left this place and all it's worth. I am transcending space and time. I'm traveling at the speed of light. Reflection. This is the new direction. I radiate light transparency. A generation of radiation. We are the chosen nation. You with my mind again out of my skull. I feel the levitation. I feel my skin crawling up from my soul. I feel your radiation. Be a radiator just like you. Radiated on me, burn it all through. The gifted architect is making a draft in beautiful design. The options and possibilities are endless when we connect and realign. Collections of books and documents arise and parade around my cluttered desk, reworking the math and measurements until I'm convinced these plants are picturesque, like mountains in the Midwest. Creates the columns dark and wide like the roads around Fort Lauderdale. The structures begin to take their shape before I design the public monorail. The turnpike and high-speed motorway connect and enclose quaint suburban streets. The airport, the broad system.
My name is Ghost Slave. Oh.